Hey guys, it's Nikita and you're watching me on Femina.in. Today, I'm going to be decoding this dewy and fresh makeup look for you guys. So let's begin. Always remember to apply makeup on freshly cleansed skin. I've applied primer to my skin to create a smooth and even base. I've applied concealer on my lids and blended it well. Since I have dark circles, I've gone in with a second coat of concealer and blended it well. I've gone in with the beige shade all over my lids. I've followed that with a warm brown tone on my crease. For high definition, I've packed on a rust hue on the outer corner of my lids. For a high shine effect, I've applied a creamy copper hue on the inner half of my lids. I've completed the look with a neat half wing. Using a rust hue, I've colored my lower lash line as well. I've applied mascara and groomed my brows well. For my face, I've used a hydrating foundation and blended it well. I've applied concealer to these points of my face to instantly uplift it. I followed that step by applying loose powder on my concealed areas. I've used the same rust hue that I've used on my eyes as a blush for a pretty monochrome effect. Applying gold highlighter to these points of your face instantly catches the light. For my lips, I've used a nude colored liquid lipstick and followed it with a gloss. To nail the dewy effect, I've bronzed my cheeks. I've followed the bronzing by highlighting my cheekbones as well. To lock in the whole look, I've used a setting spray. And that's it, here's a fresh dewy look you can wear to a day or night event. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.